An engineer welder once searched for the perfect boat until he built it himself in 2013. Now that creation became the foundation of the Vanquish brand, which quickly rose from the Netherlands into yachting's mainstream with a clear mission: craft the world's most advanced aluminum day boats. Today, Vanquish stands among an elite group of top-tier builders, now producing fully custom super yachts up to 115 feet. At the center of the lineup is the VQ58, and today we're on board SHIR, a stunning 2024 example that shows you exactly why this model is often dubbed the perfect day boat by its owners. Simple at first glance, SHIR reveals Vanquish's go-to style of hiding features: a cockpit table with a drop-in fridge, a concealed cabin workstation, and even a commercial-grade misting system seamlessly integrated into the hardtop. Performance delivers too. This lightweight aluminum paired with direct IPS power and upgraded Volvo IPS 950 engines pushes speeds over 40 knots with a smooth, couped comfort. SHIR is listed exclusively with Prestige Marine, and for more purchase information, contact our office.